Heavy rains caused rivers to overflow, triggering mudslides in Baghlan, Takhar, and Badakhshan provinces. Baghlan was hit hardest, with over 300 deaths and many homes wrecked. The UN's International Organization for Migration and World Food Programme reported this. Across Afghanistan, more than 330 people died, and 1,000 homes were lost. The UN is urgently seeking aid for affected regions, highlighting the vulnerability of communities to disasters and the crucial need for swift humanitarian action to prevent more suffering.